Hello and welcome to Waking Up Late as Frick. Late as frick. I woke up so late and I am finally ready to leave. I am Shu from Hatoful Boyfriend. This is my cosplay. I'm supposed to be the female version. But my lab coat kind of covers my entire body. Either way, I have a massive ponytail in the back of me. But I am ready to go, and I have my Hatoful Boyfriend bag all decked out with everything. This is Shu. Whoop whoop, let's go. Alright, so first panel I'm going to is I'm going to the 5-star Genshin Impact panel. I am very excited. There's going to be voice actors there, so that's the first panel I'm going to. I basically woke up and got ready, and now I'm leaving the room. Alright. So I am towards the end of the line, and it loops through 3 times to the end of those doors over there to get into the Genshin room. It's the rumbling. The rumbling's going through. I kind of dropped the ball on today. So, I thought we would do a little recap, right? Getting dressed in my costume, going out, and then I went to the 5-star Genshin Impact panel. And during the panel, while I was recording, it was said that recordings are not allowed, and I panicked. And I decided not to record anything for the entire rest of the day. I decided to just go around. It was kind of a me day, you know? I kind of just went off on my own and did a bunch of stuff and didn't really record anything. I went into the autographs line, and I will show you guys some of that in a sec. I've just been walking around all day. Honestly, I'm tired. I'm lost. I'm confused. I've just been walking around all day in my costume, just doing whatever, just walking around, buying stuff, just having fun, you know? Having fun. With that being said, let's get into the autographs. Look at this. Alright, so I was able to get Kaylee Mills and Max Middleman. Sorry, I keep saying his last name wrong. I want to get this correct. Max was nice enough to sign 3 prints for me, and Kaylee signed this lovely print. I have successfully gotten all of the Genshin voice actors from this convention. And they both signed an autograph card for my book. I love it. I love the drawing. And look at the little face. So adorable in the quote. And there's quote right along there. They all look great, you know? They all look great. I love it. I'm so happy with this. But as you can see, I actually got a lot more prints. So much so that they took up the entire amount of the bed. And he's tucked in. He's all tucked in for tomorrow, ready to go. Ready for bed, actually. Oh my god. So yeah, cover the entire bed. So I'm going to try to do a quick little sweep of everything so you can see basically what I had gotten. They're all kind of in a random order. So first off, these very pretty postcards. I love these. This one's upside down. That's upside down. They look like Sailor Moon scenery photos, and they are absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. All right, moving to this section, we have these. I got all of these from the same booth. Oh, adorable. Wait, no, I take it back. They're in the wrong order. I didn't get all of these from the same booth. I take it back. That's not from this booth. It was this one, and that one are from the same booth. Sorry, I'm out of it tonight. But, I mean, this is all pretty amazing. Oh, okay. This one is definitely one of my favorites. Oh, they look so adorable and jolly. We have a little Sucrose and Toga, and I actually got a custom commission done by this lovely woman here. She was super nice, and it came out amazing. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. So, moving over, here are the others. I love the kana. I love it. And here's some more. Honestly, there were so many prints that I just like couldn't, I had to have like this Sailor Moon one and this, the Milady. I'm sorry. I saw this and I actually saw a lot of stuff. The actual name of this is called Guardian. They had a whole, like it was the artist, like booth. So there was a lot of other like prints in the same style, and yet I've only seen this photo, this me. And I was so happy. I actually got the last one of this. I was so happy that I didn't miss it, but I saw it from like across. I think I did get this in the dealer's room actually. Across the room, I saw it way up high. This right here. This. All of this. Sorry, I'm so tired. Honestly, this convention has gotten to me. It's been a lot. I have been fumbling my words with talking to people all day today. Like, everybody's been super nice. Same as yesterday. I'm having a struggle to say words. It's like I'm having trouble remembering people's names, the names of shows and characters. You know what I mean? It's been so long. It's been so long since we've spoken to people and I've been around people at conventions that like you're kind of like trying to get it all out and you're like, and it's not coming out coherent at all. And I'm like, this character from, but I'm already thinking like the rest of the sentence beyond what the name of the anime is. So yeah. Today was positively great, and I'm sure tomorrow will be too. I have pretty much everything kind of packed up. That's where all the clear things were that the prints were in, but I have all of my stuff compacted back up. I moved the chair and that stand thing back. I have my hard case completely packed. This is pretty much cleared out except for the thing I'm wearing tomorrow and my other outfit. The bathroom, I'm just packing all my bathroom stuff in there. Okay. But yeah, either way, I have no idea what I'll be recording tomorrow. Probably waking up and buying other various items at the convention. And of course, South Park is playing while I'm walking around my hotel room, just totally confused and confused.